Welcome back to our series all about creating a Wix website for your resort or accommodation business. In our last video, we set our brand colors and fonts. The website now looks the part, but apart from the colors, your site needs a unique identifier, and that would be your logo. Today, we are going to place our logo onto our header and add a favicon to our site so it looks professional. Let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to Media on the left. Click on Upload, select Upload from Computer, and select all of your files you're going to need on your website so that you can easily access them later on when you need them. And once your logo is uploaded, click on it and click on Add to Page. You might need to cleanly crop it, so I'm going to do that. And you also need to resize it in order to make it fit onto your header. I'm just going to adjust my header size a little bit. We're going to delete the existing logo here because we will be placing our own logo there. Make sure that you also align your other elements on your header for a cleaner look. And I don't think I need this, so maybe I'll just delete that. Okay, so far our header and our logo is looking great. Now, let's link it so whenever a site user clicks on our logo, they'll be taken to our homepage immediately. So click on your logo and select Link, select Page, and on this drop-down, make sure to select Homepage. Make sure Current Window is selected here as well, and then click on Done. And there we go. Now it's time to add our favicon. As mentioned in the first video of this series, you're going to need a premium subscription for this option as well as to be able to accept payments on your site once you publish it. Anyway, go to your site's dashboard and then go to Settings. On the search bar, type in favicon and select this setting. Scroll down to the favicon area, this one, and over here, you should be able to see the default favicon, which is the Wix logo. So if you have the premium plan, if you hover over it, you should see a replace button. So click on the replace button and use your own logo instead. Don't forget to click on save so that your changes will be stored. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.